For 95 years, the Steel Tube Institute has represented North America's leading steel tubing manufacturers. Today, we're addressing one of the industry's most persistent challenges: misconceptions about stainless steel conduit installation.
Stainless sounds interesting. I'd like to see what that's about.
To get real answers, we spoke with electricians who have extensive hands-on experience.
I've been working with stainless steel conduit for about the last 9 years.
Despite proven performance in corrosive environments, stainless steel conduit faces resistance from electrical contractors who believe it's difficult to work with.
A lot of it is that it's harder to thread, harder to bend, that it's harder to install than regular galvanized, takes more time. You can see that it doesn't take any more time than galvanized, and it threaded easily. They threaded a bunch of nipples here today, and it was just as fast as the galvanized side.
The Steel Tube Institute partnered with industry training facilities to separate fact from fiction.
We wanted to help electricians and electrical contractors understand the differences between installing stainless steel conduit and regular galvanized conduit.
Using standard threading equipment and conventional bending tools, our field demonstration revealed surprising results.
We often hear that stainless conduit can be difficult to work with, can take longer to install. Threading and bending can be difficult, and we've found that that isn't necessarily true.
Probably the biggest misconception that we would like to fix is that stainless steel conduit costs a lot more to install. There's more consumables that go into it, and that it takes longer. And what we've seen today with this installation is that that's not the case.
Even experienced professionals acknowledge there's an initial adjustment period, but it's shorter than most expect.
The first couple times when you do it, just like anything, but after that, it's no different.
When electrical contractors understand the similarities to familiar processes, confidence builds quickly.
I don't see a reason to be nervous about it. Pipe is pipe, really.
It's exactly the same. All those first steps that you need to take, charting your bender, checking it out, measuring it. Then after you've done one or two bends, it's all the same.
Use lots of oil when you're threading it. You know, you might have to throw a little more weight into it just to get the teeth to bite. But other than that, it's like threading pipe.
The most convincing voices are often fellow electrical contractors sharing honest experiences.
Just do it. You know how to bend pipe. You've been trained on threading pipe. It's the same thing.
Hope they walk away realizing that stainless is an approachable material, and working with it is very similar to other products that they work with on a daily basis.
Understanding where stainless steel conduit provides unmatched value helps electrical contractors identify profitable opportunities.
Stainless steel conduit is typically used in heavy-duty industrial corrosive environments, so it can be applied in oil and gas, wastewater treatment plants, pulp and paper mills, and particularly in food and beverage facilities.
The Steel Tube Institute, connecting, educating, advancing the industry through proven expertise and real-world solutions.
More of a confidence in bidding and installing stainless steel conduit.